well, I'll dispense with my opening statement as well. But first, I would like to thank the League of Women Voters for the opportunity to appear here. I would like to thank my wife, Jackie. Jackie and I have lived here in the Sycamore, DeKalb area in Sycamore since 1985 when I came to work for the state's attorney's office in this county. We've raised our two children, Eric and Ben, here. We still live in the same house that we've lived in since 1986. I have my law office, a private practice of law in the house next door to that home. And I've served the community for the last 26 years as an assistant state's attorney and as a private attorney in private practice, I believe with honor and integrity throughout. So therefore I take great exception to Mr. Campbell's statement, because in this situation, I brought this to Mr. Campbell's attention. I told him in an open letter what happened with Mr. Farrell. I advised him that in the interest of openness, I would disclose it to the public so that everyone could judge in an open manner what our dealings were between the two of us. Certainly I advised him that I thought this reflected poorly on the way he was running his office, because not only was there the situation with Mr. Farrell involving the case that I discovered on Wednesday, which no one was aware of, but there was another situation with Mr. Farrell that I believe Mr. Campbell should have been aware of for the last 6 months, that I believe he was investigating for the last 6 months, that I have not talked about during that time while running. I feel that it is appropriate that this be a matter for public concern and public scrutiny in terms of the way that Mr. Campbell has run his office. So I make no apologies for bringing an issue in the interest of transparency and openness in government directly to the people and giving everyone a copy of the letter that I sent to Mr. Campbell, so everyone in this community can be fully aware of what's going on and not get bits and pieces and have it spun for political gain.
Thank you very much, Mr. Schmack.